Now the next question, arrange in descending order. So descending order means big to small. So here the denominators are same, so you have to look at only the numerator. So in the numerator, bigger one you will write first. So in descending order, the bigger one is 9. So 9 by 8 will come first. Next, smaller than 9 is, the next one is 6. So 6 by 8. Next, smaller than 6 is 5. 5 by 8. Smaller than 5. 1, so 1 by 8. So this is the answer. Next one, name the following. Solid with 3 faces. Solid, you remember. Solid means it is a 3-dimension figure. So you can write only the 3D figures. You cannot write the 2D figures. Some of you have written triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. It is not the 3 faces. Okay, so that is the wrong one. Solid means you have to write only the 3D figures. So solid with 3 faces. So which is having 3 faces? That is cylinder. Cylinder is having 3 faces. Cylinder, I know you will know, I think. So this is 1 face, 2, and this is 3 face. It has the 3 faces. Again, solid with 1 face. That is sphere. Sphere means like a ball, no? Like a ball. It has only 1 face. So that is answer. Next one, name 2 objects. So you have to give any objects in spherical shape and cone shape. So spherical shape means in a round shape, which is their ball you can write. And some of you have written earth, so that can be also correct answer. So whatever is the round shape you can write. Football, volleyball, again laddu, anything you can write. Again cone in cone shape. What is there? Carrot. Some of you have written carrot. Some of you have written cone ice cream. This is also correct. Cone ice cream. Again some of you have written birthday cap. Okay, so anything can be the correct answer. Any objects with cone shape. Okay, next one, addition in fraction. So in addition in fraction, the main thing you have to look into is the denominator must be the same. So here the denominator is same, so you have to add only the numerator. Take the denominator as common. The numerator is 13 plus 5. So 13 plus 5, 18. 18 by 23. Next one, in subtraction also same thing. The denominator must be same. Here the denominator is same, so no need to worry. Write the denominator as common and take the numerator. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So the answer is 3 by 11. You should not minus it. Some of you had minus and written 11 minus 11, 0 you had written. 3 by 0. That is the wrong answer. Some of you have written here 23 plus 23, 46. So you have written 18 by 46. That is the wrong answer. The denominator should be the same number. Then after that, since it is same, so you will take it as common. Only one denominator you will take it. You will not take it both the denominators separately. You will take it as a common denominator. Again, some of you, I don't know what calculation you made. Some 13 plus 23, I don't know, 5 plus 23. That way you wrote or what. Somewhat like 4-digit number you had written. That is not only 1 person or like 5-6 person had written like that. I don't know what was your calculation, how you have added. That is the wrong answer. This is the way you have to do in fraction. Next one, write the fraction for this given problem. Raju ate 5 out of 12 chocolates. So 12 chocolates are there. From 12 chocolates he ate 5. So total number you have to write in the denominator. So total number of chocolates is 12. So 12 you will write in the denominator and 5 he ate. So how much he has eaten, that you have to write in the numerator. Again here also Rahul scored 9 out of 10 marks. So total marks you write it in the denominator. So the total mark is 10. So the 10 we will write it in the denominator and he has scored 9. So 9 will be the numerator. So the fraction for this problem is 9 by 10. So 5 by 12 and 9 by 10, that is the answer. Okay, now Roman number 4, find the question using repeated subtraction. Many of you, I don't know whether you saw this repeated subtraction or not. This is the main thing of this repeated subtraction. So you have to use subtraction repeatedly again and again till you get 0. That way you have to find the question, not in division method. Some of you have written 96 divided by 8 and you have written 12 is the answer. This is the way you have written the answer. This is wrong. Repeated subtraction is given. It is not given to use the division. It is asked you to give the repeated subtraction. So you have to minus. From 96 you have to minus 8. When it comes repeated subtraction. So subtract they are asking. So go on minus from this bigger number, the smaller number you minus. Till you get, you have to go on minus. So let's minus now. So here you cannot minus, so you will borrow, so this will be 16, here 8, 16 minus 8, 8, here 8 you will get, again 88 minus 8, minus 8, 8 minus 8, 0, and here 8, again 18, minus 8, you will get 72, and it will go on like that. Okay, till you get 0, you have to minus. So I have minus till I have got 0. 8 minus 8, 0. That way I have minus. So what you have get this answer? From this answer again you minus. From the answer what you are getting, from there you have to go on minus 8 till you get 0. So now how many times you have minus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have subtracted 12 times you have subtracted. So you have to write 12 times 8 is subtracted. 12 times subtracted. Therefore 96 divided by 8 equal to 12. Otherwise you can write in short form quotient equal to 12. So this is the way you have to take and write the answer. Some of you have finished with this answer. Only up to subtraction you have written. You did not take and write the answer. You have to show no the question. You must take and write the question. What is the question? You must take and write the answer. This is the way you have to complete the answer. Now let's go to the next sum. Now the next sum is find the question and remainder using long division method and verify your answer. So here you have to see the method is mentioned, long division method. You have to use the long division method. Again one more thing is asked, verify your answer. This many of you are not done, except a few. Many of you are not done the verification of your answer. Okay, first you use the long division method and you have to divide. So the question is 8,350 divided by 4. So use the long division method. Long division method I think you know. This way you will use the long division method. So table you can write it in the short form side way. But now I am not writing the table, but it will take long time. So I am going faster. I know you. I think you will know how to divide. So 4 2s are 8. Again here if you minus it will be 0. Now you will take 3 down. 3 will not go in 4. So now you will take 5 down. So when you take two numbers at a time from up. When you take two numbers at a time from up. So you have to add here 0. So now you divide. 35. In 35 how many 4s are there? 8 4s are 32. Okay, so now you have to minus 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 3, 0. Again now you take the next number down, 0 you get it. And in 30, how many 4s are there? 7 4s are 28. So if you minus here 10, 10 minus 8, 2 you will get. Here 2 minus 2, 0. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. So you have got quotient is 2087. Many of you have written 287. You didn't write 0 here. When you take two numbers at a time down, you have to write 0 there. Again remainder is 2. So now we have to write the verification. So verification formula you must know. Verification formula, what is the verification formula? Verification formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here divisor is 4 into quotient. Quotient is 2087 plus remainder. Remainder is 2. So this 2 you have to multiply. 2087 and 4 you have to multiply. 7 4s are 28. 2, 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Remainder 3. 0 into 4, 0. So 0 plus 3, 3. 2 4s are 8. So it is 8,348. Again plus this remainder 2. So if you plus 2 here, you will get 50. 48 plus 2, 50. So 8,350 you get. 8,350 is the dividend. So this is the dividend. Since you have got the dividend, hence the answer is verified. So you have to write it. Hence the answer is verified. Hence it is verified. Hence it is verified. So this is the way you will complete your answer. Okay, verification also you have to write, then only you will get the full marks. Okay, now the next sum, find the answer of given collection and color it. So the collection is given and here the sum is given. For this you have to find the answer, then you have to color it. You have to color here. See 1 by 3 of 12, some of you have written directly the answer 4. But you see the mark is here 2 marks, it carries 2 marks. Just if you write the answer, I can give only half mark. And I have given you 2 dashes also. Then you don't know what I should write here and here. You have to write the calculation. So 1 by 3 of 12. So you have to write here. At least one more step you can write. This is 1 by 3 into 12. So 1 by 3 into 12 you will write 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 if you get how many 3s are 12? 4 3s are 12. So 4 is the answer. Since you have got 4, so you have to color here. Any 4 star you can color it. Okay, you can color it any 4 star. This much you have to do the answer. Then only I will give the full marks. If you just write 4, I will give only half of the marks. Okay, next fourth one, find the product. So you will know how to do. So I am not going to explain this one. Arrange in columns and add. This also arranging in columns, but when you are arranging, some of you made mistake. You have to arrange it properly. Once and 10th digit you have to arrange it properly. 4 digits are these two you have written arranged correctly, but 355 some of you have written like this. You will never write the numbers from the left side. You have to arrange it from the right side. Okay, so this is the way you have to arrange in column and add. Okay, only that is the correction, but other than that addition you can do. Next one, subtract and check your answer. Here also subtraction you will do, but all did not see here. Check your answer is given. So check your answer is given. First you have to find the answer, then you have to check whether your answer is correct or not. So now first we will do the subtraction. 9,000 minus 3,954. So you cannot minus, you see all zeros are there, so you will borrow from here. So from 9 if you borrow 1, 8, and here you will get 10 now. From 10 you will give 1 here. So this will be 9 and here it will be 10. From 10 you will give 1, this will be 9 now, and here you will get 10. So from 9 directly you cannot get it here. You can give to the next digit, again from there you will give to the next digit, then you will give to the next digit. That way only you can pass the borrowing numbers. Not you cannot borrow from one digit to the another two, after 2 digits or 3 digits you cannot borrow. You can borrow to the next digit only you can borrow. Okay, so after borrowing now you can minus 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 9, 0, 8 minus 3, 5. So this is the answer. Now you have to verify your answer. So verifying the answer you have learned in addition. So you have to add the answer and the smallest number. So in this two, the smallest number is, the second number is the smallest number. So the answer and the second number you add it. So answer is 5,046. With that you have to add the second number, that is 3,954. This two you will add. So now if you add 6 plus 4, 10, carry over 1. So 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So 0, carry over 1. So 1 plus 9, 10. So 0 and here carry over 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So you have got 9,000. So you have got the first number. So your answer is verified. So it is verified. You have to write. This is the way you have to check your answer. Many of you did not write check your answer. If you don't write the check your answer, I have given only 1 mark. You have to verify your answer also.